guys, I'm sorry I don't have any voice. I'm sick. I'm not gonna be talking a lot of times because I just want to show you guys a simple tutorial in making this lei. It's a three-finger lei by using this particular material. We call it eyelash yarn. This is the one I'm using. I'm making it for McKinley High School. McKinley High School is black and gold, but this is one of the simple lei that I make. This is a three-finger lei. I'm gonna start it without talking anymore because my voice is almost gone. Okay guys, we're done with the lei. That's a real quick one. And with this type of material and that type of lei making, it makes it really nice. A simple lei using the eyelash material to make it this. Looks like this. So, hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It's really easy, simple, and you guys can whip it in no time. If you guys need to make a lot, this is a perfect one for you guys. So, aloha, thank you for watching. Much mahalo.